You feel a familiar, persistent tickle deep in your nasal passage. Your eyes begin to water as your face starts to contort. You might try to suppress it, clenching your jaw or holding your breath, but the reflex has already begun. Then, air and moisture are expelled from your nose and mouth at speeds exceeding 100 kilometers per hour. Some are deafeningly loud, others are notably wet, and many occur in rapid-fire bursts of 2 or 3. This reaction is universal, yet the mechanical chain of events happening inside your skull is incredibly complex. In these few seconds, the brain effectively takes command of your respiratory system, bypasses your conscious control, and executes a full-body purge. This process is your body's primary method for clearing the upper respiratory tract of potential hazards. It is most commonly triggered by physical irritants landing on the nasal lining, such as dust, pollen, or ground pepper. However, the system also reacts to non-physical changes, including sudden exposure to cold air, strong chemical scents, or the heat from spicy food. Some individuals carry a genetic trait known as the photic sneeze reflex, where the brain misidentifies a sudden burst of bright sunlight as a physical irritant in the nose. This diagram shows the nasal cavity's sensory nerves. When a particle makes contact, the nerves fire a distress signal to the brainstem. The brain initiates an immediate response, sending simultaneous commands to muscles throughout the body for a high-pressure flush. The first physiological command forces your eyelid muscles to shut tightly. This occurs because the brain is preparing for a significant internal pressure spike and acts to protect the eyes from the impending force. Next, the muscles in your chest contract with extreme force. As shown here, rapid compression causes the air within your lungs to become highly pressurized. This air is forced upward through the trachea and expelled through the nose and mouth in an uncontainable burst, reaching speeds over 100 kilometers per hour. A microscopic particle effectively reroutes your nervous system to trigger a high-speed muscular release, all to ensure your airways remain clear. The immediate result of this release is the creation of a wide dispersal cloud of liquid droplets. This schematic shows the potential scale of that dispersal. Droplets can be projected up to 8 meters away, which is why covering your face is a vital social habit. Beyond the physical mechanics, the brain also exhibits a psychological response, known as contagious sneezing. Just seeing or hearing another person sneeze triggers a sympathetic reaction in your brain, causing you to experience the same 100 km per hour reflex. While primarily a mechanical purge, the sensitivity of the brain's wiring means this reflex can be triggered by external suggestion, turning an individual biological event into a collective one. Ultimately, a sneeze is your body's method of aggressively evicting microscopic debris to protect your respiratory health. For more on how your body handles involuntary reactions, next week we are exploring the science of hiccups. Subscribe to Useless Shit Explained and hit the bell for more. See you then.